Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about when a suspect's act qualifies as a meritorious service. Meritorious service refers to actions taken by offenders that significantly aid law enforcement agencies. When an offender provides information that leads to the arrest of other criminals, or when they divulge key details that crack open otherwise unsolvable cases, they are performing a service that is deemed meritorious under the law. Now, not every act of cooperation with the authorities qualifies as meritorious service. There are stringent criteria in place designed to prevent misuse and ensure that only genuinely helpful cooperation is rewarded. Firstly, timing is essential. Meritorious service can only be recognized if it occurs after the offender has been apprehended but before a sentence is pronounced. Here, it branches into two: sentencing meritorious service and execution phase meritorious service. The former involves cooperation during the trial phase, while the latter pertains to action taken during the punishment phase that may lead to sentence reduction. Furthermore, the offender must be the one taking the initiative. It's not enough for a family member or friend to provide information. The offender themselves must be the source of the cooperation. This distinction is critical because it places the responsibility and the potential for reduced punishment squarely on the shoulders of the person who has committed the crime. Now you might wonder, what if the information is secondhand? What if the inmate confides in another, who then turns that information over to the authorities? This too is considered meritorious service. However, we must differentiate between the magnitude of the service compared to that which comes directly from the offender's knowledge. The source of the information is also heavily scrutinized. Any information obtained through illegal means or misconduct, or information that the state official has provided by abusing their power, cannot be considered for meritorious service. The integrity of the process is paramount. Verification and impact are the bedrocks of meritorious service. The information provided must not only be verifiable, but must also have a tangible impact on case resolution or suspect apprehension. It is not enough to simply offer a clue. That clue must lead to concrete results in the pursuit of justice. The Supreme People's Court has given us 5 clear examples of what constitutes meritorious service: exposing crimes, providing key clues, preventing crimes, and aiding in the capture of suspects. It is the very essence of turning over a new leaf and contributing to the safety and order of society. However, the scope of meritorious service is not without its boundaries. Reporting the misdeeds of minors or those lacking criminal responsibility, for instance, does not fall under this category because such acts do not qualify as criminal behavior. If an offender reports a crime that the authorities decide not to prosecute due to its minor nature, this still counts as meritorious service. The act of reporting itself, not the outcome, is what's crucial here. It is also imperative to understand the nuance in cooperation. Providing basic information about a co-defendant, like a name or address, is expected and does not rise to the level of meritorious service. But if the offender plays an active role in the apprehension of the accomplices, this is a different story. This is the kind of proactive involvement that can lead to a reduction in sentencing. Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will talk about what happens if one spouse refuses to share lottery winnings.